Hi guys, okay, it's time now to do a percent composition problem, and these are not too bad, pretty straightforward. We have, our problem says find the mass percent of copper in copper 1 sulfide. So first thing you have to do is write the formula. Hopefully you can do that. Copper 1 has a +1, sulfide is a -2, and so I will need 2 coppers for every 1 sulfur. These are mole relationships. For every 2 moles of copper, I have 1 mole of sulfide, but I want this in mass. So I have 2 copper atoms, which if we look on the periodic table, we see that copper has a mass of 63.55 grams. 63.55 grams. And if we would look for sulfur, we used that last time, is 32.06, so we have 1 sulfur. And I should label these so we can keep track. 32.06, that's going to equal 32.06 grams, and then 63.55 times 2 equals 127.1 grams. Our total grams, we're going to just add those together, and that gives me my total mass, or the mass for this compound is 159.16 grams. So that's my total. This is the mass of copper, this is the mass of sulfur. So how would I find the mass percent of copper in copper 1 sulfide? Well, I would take the mass of copper and divide it by the total. Just like a test, if you got 127.1 points or grams out of 159.16 grams possible times 100, that would give you your percent of your grade. And we're going to do the same thing here. You'll notice here I still have that 159.16 in there, so I can just say 127.1 divided by second answer, or you could type it in, times 100 equals, and I get 79 point, since it says 856, I can say 86%. Notice I no longer have grams because grams would cancel with grams. I've made this into a percent, which means it has no real units, but I do have a substance. This was grams of copper in the compound, right? And so this is 79.86% copper in the compound. So this one's pretty simple. I think we shouldn't have any trouble with this, and I don't think I really need to go into more detail. So let me know if this one's a problem for you tomorrow, or when we get together again and you're having trouble, let me know. Thanks. Bye.